Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video ever that I uploaded on YouTube. I actually started stand BTS for half a year, I think, because I stand them because of the Boy with Love. So yeah, so today's video I know what I talked about earlier is not it's not related for what I want to unboxing today, so but I just want to be clear that I'm new army. So yeah, so for today's video I will be unboxing the summer BTS summer package 2016. It is a rare thingy for like these days. It's a rare thing, like, and I got this from a seller that she want to pre-live it. So I got this with a really cheap price that like nonsense when people now sell it for like maybe $100 like that, but I got this for like only for $40, I think. And no, $20. Yeah, $20. So let's go to let's see the box first. So this is the box, and it says year of 2016, and it still has Red Monster instead of RM, and that's cool. So this is the summer package, and it says BTS in Dubai. This is the front, this is the back. I treasure this so much. Like, this is the rare thing that I've ever got from BTS because I don't really collect albums. I collect their DVDs like that. So this is kind of treasure for me, and this is rare. So this is the back. It says BTS in Dubai summer package. This is their old logo, and this is the description. So it has photo book, making DVD, mini poster, vacuum set. There's beach ball, tattoo stickers, charms accessory, and PVC zipper bag. I'm sorry for the noise, but there's all my niece and my nephew. I don't get this charm accessory as the seller said because yeah. And then there's the hologram thingy. Okay, let's see what's inside. So this, yep, it has a little dent here, but never mind, I got it like a cheap price, so I think it's okay. Yep. And there's, oh shit, and there's two mini posters. So this is the first one, the blank, and this is the second one. I like the first one better than the second one because they're like tiny here. So this is them. All right, let's see what's inside. Yep. So this is the zipper bag. Let's put it aside first. Okay, this is the zipper bag. Let's open it. So this is the zipper bag. It's like a normal zipper bag, like for the slogan thingy. And then there is the tattoo stickers, and yep, I assume there's two in it, but I don't want to open it, so yeah. And then there's the beach ball. It says BTS. It says not for sale, but they're selling it, but yeah, it's okay. And then this is the making DVD of the summer package. Let's see. Yep. So now let's move on to the photo book. This is a really heavy photo book, like it's thick, it's so thick. Yes. Okay, this is the front, this is the back. As you guys can see, it's like yellowish, but it's okay. And Oh my god, it's thick, like literally really thick. Yep. I will put down my camera a bit. Okay, I've put down my camera, so yeah, let's see. Yep. So it's like a ticket from Seoul to Dubai. Yep. Wow, Jimin. J-Hope. I'm sorry for lighting. This is not lighting actually. This is my lamp. But yeah, so this is Yoongi. Oh my god, this is Jin. Wow. So if you guys want to know, Jin is my bias actually. Look at Jimin. He's a baby. Can you guys see him? This is like this photo. This is Taehyung. Oh, JK. Oh, look at them. They're so happy. Look at V. So this is where they write something. This is from RM, I think. Yep, this is from RM. And yep. Can I just okay? No. You guys, if you guys wanna read it, just pause. So it's from Red Monster. This is from Sugar. This is his drawing. Oh, sorry. This is what he wrote. Okay. The next one is from Jin. This is what he drew. This is what he wrote. This one is from J-Hope. This is what he drew, and this is what he wrote. This one from Jimin. Then this is from V. And this is what he wrote. And this is from JK. Yeah, he wrote kind of long, so yep, you guys can read it if you want. And then let's see. So this is the second day at Dubai. Wow, look at Jin looking good. Oh my god, JK. I'm sorry if I don't talk a lot in this video because I'm not actually good at speaking English, so yeah. Oh my god. Okay, actually Jin is my bias, so that's why every time I see him I kind of freak. But yeah. I really love this summer package. So this is from the day 2, so this is what Red Monster drew and this is what he's saying. If you guys wanna just pause it. I think I'm just going to, because everyone's have do this unboxing, right? So this is from Sugar. This is from Jin. This is J-Hope. No, it's V. It's Jin, and now it's V. Oh, like a random member, I think. Sugar, Jin, and V. Yep. Jung Ho Sok. Look at V. Oh my god, they're asleep. So this is from JK. This is from J-Hope. And this is from Jimin. So it's a third day at Dubai. Okay, let's just see it. It is okay. Yep. Oops. All right. He's so handsome. Like, oh my god, Jin. Chim chim. Another drawing from V, from JK. And this is the last night in Dubai. Special thanks to one and only Army. Alright, I think that's all. Yep. So that is all for this unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you guys have something for me to fix from this video, or for me to improvise from this video, just comment down below, and I really appreciate it. So yep, thank you so much. Bye.